Welcome to the channel. This chubby orange cat, Benny, likes to hide in a box. He thinks he's very clever. But Coco, the green parrot, is even cleverer. Let's play hide and seek. The very first rule of hide and seek is you gotta hide, right? So Benny hides in the box and he's waiting for Coco to find him. But Coco is too clever for this game. She knows Benny's hiding in the box, but she wants to play along. So she starts looking for Benny all around the house. Behind the TV, under the table, in the kitchen, in the bathroom, in the closet. Finally, she looks in the box and says, "Found you." And then they both look at each other and start laughing. This is the funniest game ever. Do you want to play hide and seek with Benny and Coco? This is your host,